In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export my model in Teachable Machine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a trained project into a shareable link or a set of files you can use in your apps. We'll start in Teachable Machine with your project open. Add your classes and upload or record enough examples for each one. Aim for a balanced set, similar amounts per class, and capture a bit of variety, like different lighting or backgrounds, so your model learns robust patterns. When your classes look ready, click Train Model. Training runs in your browser, so keep the tab open and let it finish. Once it's complete, your model is ready to export. Now click the Export Model button in the project interface. You'll see two main options. The first is Upload, which hosts your model on Teachable Machine and gives you a shareable link. Choose this if you want to quickly test or demo your model online without setting up hosting. Click Upload My Model, wait a few seconds while it processes, and then you'll see a URL. Copy that link and keep it handy. You can share it with collaborators or use it to load the model directly from the web. If you retrain or make changes later, upload again to get a fresh link. The second option is Download Model Files, which saves everything to your computer so you can integrate the model into your own project. Pick the format that matches your deployment target. Select TensorFlow.js for browser-based web apps. Choose TensorFlow Lite for mobile or embedded devices where you need a lightweight model. Go with Keras if you plan to load the model in Python for server-side or notebook workflows. After choosing, click Download My Model. Your browser will save a zip file containing the model files, typically a model.json, weights, and metadata. Keep these files together inside your project so your app can reference them correctly. And that's it. Train your classes, click Export Model, then either upload for a quick shareable link or download for local files. With those choices, you can move seamlessly from training in Teachable Machine to deploying your model wherever you need it.